Comfort food, gourmet style in just 6 easy steps. Think mac and cheese but elevated with orzo and creamy butternut squash, salad on the side and topped with cheddar and nuts. First, preheat the oven. Then, halve the butternut squash lengthways and scoop out the seeds. Place cut side up, season, then roast until tender. While it's baking, soak the cranberries in warm water to plump them up. Grate the garlic and finely chop the sage. Melt some butter in a deep pan, then add the garlic, red onion, orzo, paprika, tomato paste, sage and half the thyme. Fry until fragrant. Pour in the vegetable stock, cover and cook the orzo until tender. You got this. When the squash is tender, scoop out the flesh, leaving the edges intact. Mash the flesh and mix it into the orzo. Stir in roughly chopped sun-dried tomatoes and herbed cream cheese. Chop the hazelnuts, then chop the herbs and set aside. For the salad, core and dice the apple. Caramelize it with sugar and butter until golden and sweet, adding the drained cranberry in the last 2 minutes. Fill the squash shells with the orzo mixture. Top with cheddar and chopped hazelnuts, then return to the oven until the cheese is bubbling. Arrange the salad leaves on a plate and top with the caramelized apple and cranberries. Finish with a drizzle of balsamic cream. Serve the golden squash halves alongside the salad. Scatter over the fresh herbs and enjoy this stunning centerpiece meal. You deserve this. Like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.